Hi, I'm just testing the fit of the base to the underneath side of the top. And I have some small screws that when I'm done with all the adjustments and finishes and stuff, I'll go with a little bigger screw, and it will cut a little deeper thread, and it'll be a lot stronger permanently. I wanted to show how I've decided to do this. Because of the shape of the base, I wanted to come out far enough with wood that I can use to screw down into the top. And I've used very hard wood, and what I've done is I've recessed it and let it into the top so you won't actually see it. So if I lift this up right now, and I'll try to re-grip it. So this is the back of it, and I'll switch it around like this. I'm still working on this part. It has one coat of finish. I'm going to do some more sanding, put another couple coats, and I'll sign this on the underneath side with the way I normally sign my furniture. So let's move it up here. I can place it into. All right, so now it could be screwed in pretty easily. I put this blue tape on because I wanted to make some slight adjustments. I want to come up here a little bit, so I'm going to make a pattern and cut some of that material out, make a pattern. I want to come back in this way a little bit more. So I'm going to take a flexible batten, and I'll put this on here, and I'll have the pattern for half of it, and that way I'll trace it on there, and then I'll flip it and do the other half. So that'll be the final shaping of this, and then it's a few more coats of finish. Maybe I don't think I'll wax it, just maybe 3 more coats of finish, and it should be ready for delivery.